AG fine cast brick is designed to look beautiful and stay beautiful for a lifetime. Enduur 1, our advanced concrete technology, ensures that AG Woodward fine cast bricks are much less porous than standard clay bricks and perform at top of the class in the concrete market. Enhancements in mixed technology and curing processes mean they stand up to harsh and adverse conditions with better resistance to the salts and efflorescence, water ingress and the moss growth that often spoils the look of domestic houses and commercial buildings. The potential for spalling has been further minimised, especially compared to clay brick, meaning surface abrasion, cracking and splitting from adverse conditions will be minimised over the brick's lifetime. One day, all bricks will be made this way.